This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the derelict waypoint and moving in quietly. This reduces backtracking and risk. Once you arrive, position yourself near the southern hull scrape where Willow spawns. Make sure you have a hatchet or saw equipped and at least 2 free inventory slots. These tools speed harvest and prevent lost drops. Move slowly along the fence line, scanning for the distinct pale bark. If you see patrols, wait or circle around until the path is clear, then proceed. You need to focus on mature willow nodes because they yield a full willow log reliably. Immature nodes give sticks. Once you find one, use 2 quick hatchet strikes to clear loose bark, then finish with a heavy hit to dislodge the log faster. Make sure to loot immediately before NPCs or other players arrive. Logs stack to 10, so manage space. If you get interrupted, note the node location on the map and return after it respawns. After collecting a willow log, stash it in your vehicle or safe container right away so you don't lose progress. If you find no spawns, move at least 200 meters away and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the node to reset, then return and sweep the area systematically. If enemies disrupt you, prioritize stealth. Break line of sight and use smoke or noise distractions to pull them away rather than fighting. This preserves tool durability and guarantees your haul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.